Please like and subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell. And it's the second day of me camping. Tomorrow I'm going back home. And here's my cabin. I'm going to show you around. I'm camping in Phillipsburg, a very little town, in Boulder Creek Lodge. Very cute little place. This is my bed. Couch. 4 bunk beds. Table. Some night lights. This bed is my bed. I got one of the tops.
You just like to sleep with me.
Tonight, are you gonna sleep with me? Or am I gonna sleep with you?
You're gonna start to
Please
sleep
like
up
and
here.
subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell.
You're supposed to sleep up here. Bye bye, guys. You always say bye. Bye bye.
Bye. Well, not
I
yet.
love you.
Love you guys.
Love you guys.
I got this candy from the world's greatest candy store. Because it basically was the world's greatest shop.
Bye bye, guys.
There we go. Yellow bag. Little night light that I'm gonna turn on. Off. And then this is how I get down. And remember, this is the second day. I'm going home tomorrow. Yesterday was when I came here the first day. To the people that we checked in with, they asked if we wanted late dinner, but we said no. But we got early breakfast. They weren't even open for both of those. They're really nice. I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna make a part 2 after this. Bye guys, love you guys. See you in part 2.